Struggling to find the perfect Mother's Day gift for 2025? Forget generic mugs and wilted bouquets. This year, make mom feel truly appreciated with something special she'll absolutely adore. Our deep dive into the best Mother's Day gifts 2025 uncovers over 40 truly unique ideas that actually show you care, from life-simplifying tech to pure pampering luxuries. These aren't just random products. They're thoughtfully curated items designed to make her life easier or simply make her feel like a queen. For amazing deals on these must-have items, check the links in the description right away. Number 1. The Kindle Paperwhite, a dream e-reader for any book-loving mom. Number 2. Apple AirPods Pro, delivering incredible sound for her favorite music or podcasts. Number 3. The iRobot Roomba, a smart robovac that handles the cleaning so she doesn't have to. Number 4. A stylish Samsung Galaxy Watch, perfect for staying connected and tracking her wellness goals. Number 5. The Dyson Supersonic hair dryer, an ultimate beauty device that makes every day a good hair day. We've found the best tech gifts for Mother's Day that she might have mentioned wanting in passing, or items that will surprise and delight her. Discover the thoughtful gifts for mom on any budget that will genuinely make her feel cherished this Mother's Day.